Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be discussing solve the assignment number 9 solutions. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, volume percentage is equal to. So volume percentage can be defined as the amount of solute in milliliters is dissolved in amount of 100 ml of solution. The amount of solute in milliliters is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. On that, let's write the formula for that volume percentage. So the volume percentage is equal to volume by volume, volume of solute in milliliters whole by volume of solution in milliliters into 100. So this is the formula for percentage of volume by volume. Let's see the option. The fourth option is volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So the correct option is fourth option. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question. If the 50 ml of liquid solute is dissolved in 500 ml of liquid solvent, then find its volume by volume. So in this problem they have given volume of the solute and volume of the solvent. We need to find the volume percentage for the particular solution. Let's see what is the formula for volume by volume percentage. Percentage of volume by volume equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute they have given, that is 50 ml. Volume of solute equal to 50 ml. And volume of solution, volume of solvent they have given, that is 500 ml. Volume of solvent equal to 500 ml. Then volume of solution is equal to volume of solute, that is 50 ml, plus volume of solvent, that is 500 ml. Right? Then volume of solution equal to 550 milliliters. Then substitute these values in the formula, we will get the answer. So percent of volume by volume equal to volume of solute, that is 50 ml, and volume of solution, that is 550 ml, into 100. So this is equal to around 9.09%. So the correct option is fourth option. Here the solution for the second problem. Let's move on to the third one. Here the third question. Calculate the volume of solvent required to prepare 20% by volume solution using 70 ml of H2SO4. So here we need to find the how much amount of solution they have used to prepare 20% of the solution. So the solvent amount is 70 ml. Solvent amount is 70 ml. And they have given volume percentage, that is 20%. So the formula is percent of volume by volume equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So they have given percentage of volume by volume, that is 20%. So 20% equal to what? How much volume of solute is? 70 ml. 70 ml, and we don't know volume of solution, that I have written as x into 100. So x equal to 70 by 20 into 100. So volume of solution, that is 350. Volume of solution x equal to 350. So here we got the volume of solution. Now we need to find the how much amount of solvent they have used to dissolve the 70 ml of H2SO4, right? So we know that volume of solution is equal to volume of solvent plus volume of solute. Then